Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Down Through the Years, and we're in the key of B flat. And guys, this was requested by you. Thank you so much, you, for giving us such an awesome song to work on this day. And to kick things off, let me show you what I'm working with. I have my coffee on this day. I would love it if you would go to your favorite refrigerator, grab your favorite beverage, head on back to your favorite keyboard, sit down and learn with your favorite instructor, me, AK, on today. You know, many people have asked me, how can we donate to you? And I want to give you the chance right now to just hit that thanks button. The thanks button right there. Bam, I see you just hit it. That thanks button, give me a donation. Guys, I really appreciate it. All right, guys, we're in the key of B flat. Let's get it. That is B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and B flat. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers, right? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, so we're just going to crack our knuckles. We're going to stretch them out, and let's get ready to play Down Through the Years.
Down through the years, hey, God's been, everybody really say, God's been good to me. Hey, down, God's been mighty good. Thank you. I just came by to tell you, God really been good, oh Lord. I said all of my life, hey, hey, all of my life, sure enough, God's been good to me. Hey, hey, oh, God's been mighty, mighty, mighty good. Woo, thank you. I just want
That
to
was
tell
Down
you,
Through the Years.
really been good,
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. All right, guys, easy song. We're going to get through it. The intro is like this. Let me give you that. So we're on the 3. We're playing a B flat major chord, walking up to our 4, regular E flat major chord, going to our 5 flat, that is a D flat diminished 7. Going to our 5, we're playing this nice B flat chord. We're gonna walk our way up to the 6 flat. Now we're on our 6, and we're playing this nice chord. This is a B augmented chord. Going to our 2 flat. Now we're on our 2, we're playing this nice E diminished 7 chord, going up to our 5 flat. Now we're resolving on our 5 regular F dominant 7 chord, and we're right here on the 1, that's a regular B flat major chord. And then we're doing this nice turnaround. We're on the 3, that's a B flat major chord. Walk our way up to the E flat major chord on the 4. We're playing our 5 flat, we're playing this E flat diminished 7 chord, and then we're on our 5 playing a regular B flat major chord. Now the nice gospel turnaround, this is a A7 flat 5 chord on the 5, and then we're going to the song, the 1 to the 6 to the 5 back to the 6, and now we're on the 1 again. So what we're doing is we're just playing the B flat major chord on the 1. When we get to that 6, we're playing the E flat major chord. When we get to that 5, we're playing that B flat major chord again. And we go right back to the E flat major chord on the 6. Now there's something that you can do right there. When you get back to that 1, you can play, right before you hit that 1, you can play this chord right here. This is a B flat minor chord, and you just slide it down to the regular B flat major chord on the 1. So that will sound like this. Just give it a nice little gospel twang, you know. So after we do that, we do that about 4 times. Down through the years, God's been good to me. Now right here we change up. Okay, what are we doing? We're going at 7. We're playing this big chord here. You got it. And then we're going to this 3 and we're playing this chord. Now, if this is too big of a stretch for you, we can make it smaller. We can do this. When I'm playing on the 7, I'm playing this chord. And then this is a nice G sus4 chord. And then I'm going to this D augmented chord on the 3. And then we go to our 6. Down through the years. Give you that nice little pattern. So what we're doing is we're on the 6. We're playing a G minor chord. And we're walking our bass up to the 7. Going to the 1. And then we're going to our 3. And we're playing this nice C diminished 7 chord on the 3. And then we do that same little walk again. Alright. Now it changes up right here. What are we doing? We're going to our 2 flat and we're playing this nice chord right here on the 2 flat, and then we're going to our C dominant 7 chord on the 2, walking up to our 5 flat. Now we're on our F dominant 7 chord on the 5. All right, then we just walk up 6, 7 flat, 7, and then we start over again. Let me give you that. So we're on the 1, we're playing a regular B flat major chord, and I'm walking up from the 4, going to the 5 flat to my 5. Right here on my 5 flat, I'm playing this nice chord. All right. And then I'm going to my B flat dominant 7 on the 1. And then we're doing this nice 7, 3, 6 progression. What is a gospel song without the 7, 3, 6 progression, right? But it's what we learned earlier. Okay. Or we could do this. And then we just play the intro again. All right, guys, I hope that was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is just start the car. When I was younger, but old enough to start the car, my mom asked me to start it so it could warm up. At the time, my friends had their learner's permits, and I really wanted to drive. Instead of just starting the car like she said, I put it in drive and crashed right into my mom's flower cooler. She ran outside and asked, "What have you done?" The only thing I could think to do was lie and say the car moved on its own. But my mom was much older and wiser, and she knew that wasn't possible. You know what? For some reason, I think my mom was more upset that I lied than about me actually damaging her cooler. I learned that telling the truth is always better than lying, but more importantly, it's best to just follow instructions in the first place. Sometimes in life, we make things harder, much harder than they need to be. I should have just started the car like she asked. Awesome job, everyone. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, you, for giving us that awesome song to work on. I really appreciate it, and I think all of us really appreciate that. It's nothing like good old school songs. Guys, you know the drill. I want you to continue to share this awesome information with your friends and your loved ones. And I would love it if you can go and tell someone new about this channel, because we're trying to help it to grow to what? I think you told me last time, was it 1 million? 1 million, you got it. That's right. We're trying to grow to 1 million. Guys, we have a Facebook page. Go and check it out. It's me playing all the songs that I love to hear and play. And I would love it if you could just tell me a song that I could play for you for viewers requests. Yes, there's viewers requests. Guys, that's me playing a song and that's you enjoying the song that I play. That's all it is. Yes, that's Numerical Melodies on Facebook. Go check it out. And guys, we have a bell. Go ahead and hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. Right next to that bell is a subscribe button. I think it takes 3 seconds to hit it. I don't know. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it and you just hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. You just made my day. Guys, you're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing out.